Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an AppCoiner review. This is a Clickbank product, and you might be wondering, is this product legitimate or not as far as you making money online? We'll get into that in just a minute. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I show you a lot of product reviews like this to let you know if products are legitimate or not. And if those are topics that are of interest to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the AppCoiner review. In the sales presentation, they don't say who the owner of this particular product is. So what exactly is it? Well, first of all, it's $27 plus upsells. And this is what they tell you on the sales page, is that you're going to have 3 simple steps. The first thing is that you're going to choose an app to test, and you simply choose it and review it from the database. And they said there's hundreds of apps to choose from, more added daily. The second thing you're going to do is write a review on the app. So once you've tested it, then you log into your members area and write a review. And then the third thing is you get paid. So it says that the AppCoiner program monetizes all of your app reviews for you automatically, and all you have to do is keep testing more and more apps and writing your reviews. The more reviews you write, the more money you'll make. And you'll choose to be paid via check, direct deposit, or Payoneer. It's completely up to you. Okay, so they make it seem like all you have to do is pick an app, write your review somewhere. They don't say where. And then you get paid. And it's just like that simple. Okay, so it really is not that simple. And it is something different than what they say. I'll show you that here in just a second. But what you're going to do when you get into the site is you'll get your own website that you're going to post your reviews on, which is the same website that everyone else has. And there's 3 ways that you can earn from this website. The first one is email marketing. So this is an example of the website, and it has the same popularreviewer.com, but the first part of it's going to be your username. And so this is going to be exactly the same as everyone else's site. So the first way you can get paid is through email marketing. So you can see right here on the right hand side, there is a place for someone to put their name and email if they want to get this report on how to get the hottest apps for free. And so when they do that, they'll go into an autoresponder, and this product, Coiner app, is that what it's called? AppCoiner will send out emails to them, which will have your Clickbank affiliate link in it. So then if they buy that product, you'll get paid. Okay, so that's the first way. The second way is these banner ads on the site over, let me see. We actually have to click on an app here. So then you can see, let's see, this is a banner ad right here. So if you click on that, you can see that this is a Clickbank product. So then again, if they purchase this product, you will get paid through your Clickbank affiliate link. You can see that this is this person's Clickbank user ID. And then the third way is when a person goes to download an app, it actually takes them to an affiliate offer, which again will have your Clickbank affiliate ID. So let's just say we're going to go to the App Store here. So I don't even want to click on this. It says wait 5 seconds. So I think this is another affiliate offer. It doesn't even, well, it takes you to download the app here, but this is an affiliate offer. I don't want to click on that. I'm not sure what that is. So that's what it is. It's not what it says it is, which is you just go in and you write in a review and then you get paid. In fact, well, I'll show you here in a minute how they say that you can calculate how much you're going to make. But I would say the pros of the AppCoiner are that it's low cost. You can get your money back, of course, because it's a Clickbank product, and you can earn money through affiliate marketing. The cons, I would say the sales page is very misleading because it makes it seem like it's easy to do. Then you'll just get paid money by reviewing apps. But by having a website, you're going to have to drive traffic to your site to earn the money through the affiliate marketing. And with you having the same site as everyone else, it's going to be very difficult to do that because it's not going to rank in the search engines. And the income claims, again, are just misleading. So on the sales page, they give you this chart and how much money you can make each day. So if, let's say, you review 4 apps a day and you're getting paid $20 an app every day. Okay, they're saying that you could make, you know, $43,000 a year just by reviewing apps. Well, that's not true because, again, it's a website for affiliate marketing. So that's the income claims there are very misleading. Again, the search engines, it'll be difficult to rank because yours is the same as everyone else's. And then one of the upsells is that they'll give you 50 reviews, and that'll give you duplicate content with other people. So that will make it even harder to rank in the search engine. So I'm not even sure how you would market this in order to get paid. So I just wanted to let you guys know what this product was about, and unfortunately I don't think that it will do what it says it will do as far as you earning money, but you still could earn money through affiliate marketing if you got your website out there and people would click on your links and actually buy the Clickbank products that are on the site. So you can make money from it. So that's just my point of view on this, the AppCoiner product. Again, it's a Clickbank product. And if you receive value from this review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button so that you can see more videos like this in the future. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and check that out if you'd like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.